Good afternoon, mom and classmates. My report today is all about crisis management. No, crisis management is a critical discipline focused on preparing for responding to and recovering from emergencies or disruptive event that can threaten our organization, community, or individual. Here are some key aspects of crisis management. Natay mga 6 kabuk nga aspect sa crisis management. Muna itong ginatawag na preparedness. Ang ikaduha mo na itong ginatawag nga response, no? Katulo is mo na ang recovery. Ang ikaupat mo na itong ginatawag na communication. Ang kalima is leadership and decision making. Ang ikaunom is adaptability. Mo na sila ang mga aspects sa crisis management. Next page. Next page is definition and importance. Definition and importance is crisis unexpected event that pose a threat and demands immediately action. Muna ang natay ko Andre inatawag na ang importance. Importance is effective crisis management can minimize damage, protect the reputation, and ensure the safety stakeholders. Kanang definition ng importance is a crisis than unexpected or disruptive event, no? The poses significant threat to organization, community, individual, and demands immediate attention and response. Crisis can impact the operations, reputation, safety, financial stability. Muna siya ang mga crisis sa definition of importance, no? Kuan gapon sila sa crisis management, no? The strategic process of preparing for responding recovering from the crisis na ga-involve sa potential risk, developing response plans, organizing resource, and maintaining clear, no, sa event. Now let's proceed to third page. Muna itong ginatawag na piece of crisis management. Piece of crisis management na type upat ka aspect diri muna itong ginatawag na prevision. Ang prevision is identifying potential of risk of implementing measure to avoid the crisis. Ang ikadua mo ni ang preparation. Preparation mo ni meaning is developing crisis management plans, training staff, o atong ginatawag na conducting drills. Ikatulo is response. Muli ang response is implementing the crisis management plan, communicating effectively at management resources. Muli ang response. Ang recovery is restoring a normal, no, operation, evaluating the response to improve the future of strategy. Muna sila ang mga aspects sa piece of the management, crisis management, no? Ang prevention, preparation, response, o recovery. Ang piece of crisis management is typically unfold in 4 key pieces, no? Each piece plays a critical role in minimizing the impact of the crisis, no? and coordinated sa effective response. Now let's proceed to fourth page. Fourth page is muna itong ginatawag na types of crisis. Type of crisis na ginatawag na natural disaster. Kadua is technological accident. Katulo is reputation crisis. Tapos ang ikaapat is mo ni ang humanitarian crisis. Type of crisis is ang kaning natural disaster is mo ni sila itong mga earthquake, floods, mga baha, no? Hurricanes, no? Ang ikaduha mo ni ang technological accident. Technological accidents is mo ni sila itong mga cyber attacks, no? Mga equipment na failure. Tapos ang ikatulo is mo ni ang reputation crisis. Reputation crisis is mo ni sila itong mga scandal, product recalls. Tapos ang ikaapat is humanitarian crisis, no? Pandemic, mo ni sila mga pandemic, mga terrorism na atong ginatawag. Now let's proceed. Mo ni sila ang types of crisis, no? Now let's proceed to last page, no? Mo ni lang ginatawag na conclusion. Conclusion is crisis, no? Management is initial capability for organization and community by the preparing for potential crisis and implementing effective response to strategies. Stakeholders can safeguard the interest to ensure the recovery. Kani sila is mo ni sila ang proactivity, identifying the potential threats, no? Mo nitong mga crisis management plans, training personnel, maintaining clear lines of communication. Kato ganin na tong stockholders o katong sila tong mga naga-minimize sa mga damage, sa mga ga-protect sa lives, sa mga asset na o mga preserve the trust o mga continually, no? Uniquely effective crisis management not only address the immediately impact the disruptive event, but also strengthen the long-term organizational community resilience, turning to challenges into opportunities, no? Nag-grow o ga-improve siya. Mo lang to. Salamat.